Hello, little sequence to help get rid of anxiety. This is coming from Qigong, or energy work in Chinese. Tai Chi is a form of Qigong. And this is a simple sound relaxation exercise that you can do to help get rid of anxiety. So it's for the heart meridian line. And each meridian line is associated with a particular emotion, and the heart is anxiety. So this is to help you relax and let go of anxiety. The sound is HE, or it sounds like as if you're kind of breathing steam on something. So it sounds a bit like HAH basically. So let's give it a go. Take your feet a little bit wider than your hips underneath your shoulders. And we'll begin with ladies taking the left hand on the right hand and gents taking the right hand on the left hand onto the lower belly space, or the lower dantian. Now this is just a kind of energetic balancing and a grounding. So you can start by just breathing into that space where the hands are and breathing out from that space where the hands are, and just relaxing and letting go of muscles in the face, the shoulders. You start to ground mentally, using your inhale to come home to your body and using your exhale to try and let go of the day. Let go of excess thinking, excess muscular effort. So it kind of feels a little bit like you're starting to hang off the bones of the body. And this is so simple, it's such a simple exercise. You basically release your arms out to the side. You breathe in, take the arms up over the head, nice and soft. On the exhale, you go all the way down, as if you're kind of cleansing the spine. So you're breathing in through the nose, lift through the crown of the head, keep your arms really soft, and then try 4 more. Inhaling slowly. And exhaling with the visualize what you want to let go of. Visualize what's making you feel anxious. Try and coordinate the movement of your arms and your breath. One more. Such a simple exercise to do. Each meridian line, as I said, has a sound, has an emotional link, has a correlation to a time of the year, so the season, and also to an element. So the heart is fire, the summer element, and it doesn't matter what time of year you do this though, of course. And it just helps to kind of, again, relax and let go of anxiety that you're holding, gripping in the heart area, and just helps you let go of tension, really. So I found this really good. My students in my yoga classes found this really good. If you enjoy the little videos that I post on my channel, please subscribe and like, and obviously visit my website, which is www.notyouraverageyoga.com. So yeah, come and see me for a live class. I've got live pre-recorded classes, all this free content on YouTube, tons of stuff going on. And don't forget to drop me a message if you have any questions or requests for things you would like to see. Have a wonderful rest of your day.